Hello and welcome to Kapil Joshi Tutorials. I am thrilled to have you join us today. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel for informative and engaging content on Python. So we upload new videos, so be sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated. So today we are going to start Python dictionary and I am excited to share my knowledge with you and I hope you will learn something new and valuable. So let's start with this video. If you have any question and comment, please leave them in the section below. And now we are starting dictionary as a hash table. So in Python, dictionaries work as a hash table, which means they store data in a way that allows quick access using keys. This is similar to associative arrays in other programming languages like Perl. Instead of accessing elements using an index like list, dictionary use keys to retrieve value. So these are the actual parameters of Python dictionary. Generally, Python dictionary as a hash table, and normally keys can be almost any Python type. So a dictionary consists of a key values pairs where each key is unique and it maps to a specific value. So keys generally can be almost any immutable Python, that is numbers, string and tuples. And values can be any Python object, for example, list, strings, numbers, or even other dictionaries. Dictionaries generally enclosed by curly braces, and values are accessed using square brackets within the corresponding keys. And generally, we are talking about the Python dictionaries. Python dictionaries use keys instead of indexes. Keys must be unique and usually are string or numbers. Values can be of any Python data type, and dictionary provides fast lookup, making them efficient for storing and retrieving data. This is the actual explanation of Python dictionaries. If we are taking an example, like student is equal to curly brackets, name, we are just taking an example of Alice or any kind of comment, any kind of statement. This is one, this is two, and at last print some kind of value. So print all the values will be here. So this is the actual example of Python dictionary. At last we got some outputs. This is one, this is two, department sales code 6734, name John, department code name sales, and some kind of statements we are printing parallelly. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share too. So thanks for watching this.